This is one of the most annoying things that can happen in Twinmotion. Having the pivot of a 3D model or a group of 3D models far from the model itself. Actually, this is not a problem with Twinmotion, because the position of an object coincides with the origin of the axis in the 3D modeling software where the object was created. Therefore, there are two ways to solve the problem, plus a bonus one at the end of the video. First way, modify the origin of the axis in the 3D software. Open the object in your 3D software, change the position of the origin of the axis, and update the file in Twinmotion. I use SketchUp, but you will use your own software. I'd like to take just 20 seconds, I promise, to inform you that I'm creating the Twinmotion Masterclass Learning Portal, where I will guide you through the fantastic world of Twinmotion, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Click on the link in the description of this video to stay updated on all the news and secure an exclusive discount at launch. Register now using your email. Thank you so much for the support and enjoy the video. Second way, modify the pivot directly in Twinmotion. Select the object or group of objects, click the arrow at the top of the interface, hold down the left mouse button on the Pivot Edit button and activate the center pivot. You can also manually adjust it. Select the object and isolate it from the context, click once on the same icon as before. Note that the shape of the pivot changes. Find the point where the object will rest on the ground, in this case, the table legs. Hold Shift on the keyboard and click the left mouse button on the surface of the leg. The pivot is now positioned at the base of the object. To center it, move it using translation on the red and green plane, which is X and Y. Click the icon again to return the pivot to its original state. However, there is a third case scenario, that of 3D models that are positioned on a non-horizontal surface. An example is any wall lamp. As you can see, every time I try to move it to a wall, with Shift plus left mouse click on the wall, it is oriented incorrectly. To fix the pivot, I do the following. Select the object, click the Pivot Edit, Shift on the keyboard plus click on the base of the lamp that will rest on the wall, click the Pivot Edit icon again to confirm. And as you can see, it has been placed, but with an incorrect orientation. To fix this, click the Pivot Edit icon again, and also the adjacent icon. Toggle Local World Axis. The pivot has changed, and now I can rotate it 90 degrees on the three planes until the lamp is correctly oriented on any surface. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future content, like the video to help me with the algorithm, and let me know in the comments what topics you would like me to cover in the next video. That said, I wish you a good day or evening, and see you in the next video. Ciao!